First of all, just open a Windows search, type in Control Panel, and then open this app that looks like this. And in here, just open the Network and Internet section. So just click on the green link, and here click on Network and Sharing Center. And then when a window opens looking something like this, on the left-hand side, we can see 4 different links. We need to click on the second link that is called Change Adapter Settings. And what we are going to do first is reconnecting or restarting our network adapters. So just in this network connections window, just right-click on your network adapter. Doesn't matter if you're using Ethernet or Wi-Fi, just right-click on it, click on this arrow. In order to do that, you need to have administrator rights, just to mention that. And then we can already check on the bottom right corner, our internet access isn't there anymore. We've lost connection to the internet. And then just after we've waited a few seconds, we can already activate it again. So just right-click again on our adapter and click on Enable. And this might take a few moments to reconnect and re-identify the network again. So don't worry, just needs a few seconds. And that's it, our internet access is back. We can already close the network connections window. And then back in the Network and Sharing Center, click on the link that is at the Connections section. So just click on this link. Again, doesn't matter if you're using Ethernet, Wi-Fi, just click on there. And then click on Properties. And then select Internet Protocol version 4. Click again on Properties. And in here, we need to, down here, select the second option. Instead of Obtain DNS server address, automatically use the following DNS server addresses. And then for Preferred DNS server, type in 4 times the 8. And for Alternate DNS server, 2 times the 8 and 2 times the 4. Then we can also pause this video if need some time, and then just click on OK. And then click on Close, and click on Close. That's already it. Our connection issues in Minecraft should be fixed now. If so, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my small little channel. As already said, would be very much appreciated. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.